Today, we're going to be introducing an absolutely essential tool for every developer and every tech company, GitHub. If you're serious about programming, knowing the ins and outs of GitHub isn't just nice to have, it's a non-negotiable skill to learn. We'll start with the GitHub overview, then discuss why you need to learn it, and we'll wrap up with what you'll learn in the next few lessons. At its core, GitHub is a specialized cloud-based platform designed to store and manage your code. Think of it as a superpowered Google Docs for your programming projects. Just as Google Docs tracks every change, shows who made those changes, and lets you easily revert to an earlier version, GitHub does the exact same thing, but for your code files. It's also a key tool that powers the open source movement, the philosophy that believes technology is better when it's built and shared openly. So whether it's Google's own container scheduling software, Kubernetes, or entire libraries like the popular React library for JavaScript, all of their code have their home on GitHub. So GitHub sounds amazingly powerful, right? But why do you need it in your developer journey? Let's dive into three main reasons why. The first and arguably biggest reason is version control, the ability to manage versions of your code. Like I mentioned earlier, GitHub keeps a meticulous record of every single change you make to your code. Every line, every character, it's all tracked. That means if you've introduced a bug or accidentally deleted something important, you can simply rewind your entire project back to an earlier working version. It's like having an infinite undo button for your entire codebase. A literal lifesaver for both beginners and seasoned pros. Secondly, GitHub isn't just amazing because it can track your code. It's really built for collaboration and community. It provides powerful tools that allow multiple developers and teams of engineers to work on the same project without stepping on each other's toes. It has features that allow you and your team to merge everyone's code seamlessly, resolve any conflicts that might occur, and keep your code nice and tidy. And due to the public and open source culture for coders, GitHub is the place where you can find the code for some of your most favorite software products, like I mentioned earlier. And finally, the last reason GitHub is essential for developers is it's your gateway to showcasing your work to the world. One of the first things recruiters look for on a resume is your GitHub profile. Just like an artist has a portfolio of their work, GitHub represents your coding portfolio. Having a GitHub profile with projects you've worked on is almost a resume requirement now in the tech industry. It's how you demonstrate your skills, your understanding of modern development practices, and that you're truly a developer ready to contribute. Now that you know what GitHub is and why it's so important, in the next two lessons, we're going to put this knowledge to use. In lesson 2, we'll cover the essential vocabulary you'll need to navigate GitHub, including repositories, commits, pushing, pulling, and branches. These are the fundamental concepts that make all the magic happen. Then, in lesson 3, we'll combine everything to walk through a real-world, step-by-step workflow. You'll see exactly how to create a GitHub repository, take a local project on your computer, and safely push it to GitHub for the public to see. If you like this and want more coding content, make sure to follow us at CodeClassroom.